Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 9, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this. And once you can see whatever it is that you want to capture, simply hold power key and the volume down at the same time. You'll get this sound along with an animation. Now the first time it gives you a guide, so you can swipe up to share, swipe down to scroll, which that's basically all you have, and once you disregard it, it just kind of goes away. Now going back to the scroll option, if I navigate in here and do the same thing, you can swipe it down and this will now start scrolling it, as you can see. Now the scrolling here is far from good. As you can see, the scroll is super abrupt. Gives you little to no precision over it, and you basically stop it by tapping on it. So yeah, the worst one out there. So if you're planning to capture a scrollable screenshot, what I could recommend you to do is simply overshoot it by a mile in terms of length for however far down you want to go. So as an example, if I wanted to end the screenshot at notifications, as you can see, I most certainly succeeded in overshooting it. So what I can do now is simply scroll it up, crop it, save it, and there we go. It will now be stopped at notifications. So now going back to gallery, just so we can get a look at the two screenshots that I have captured, or three in this case. So there is one, there's the non-edited one, and then there's the normal screenshot. As you can see, this is the cropped one, and that stops at notifications, while this is the first one, from which I actually cut it right here. So anyway, this is how you would capture a screenshot on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.